Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? Keep me waiting.
There's so stand up to Chai Gango and we're killing it on site. Ngoba ngathi inceku isipatchcock lokuthi lemon chop lokuthi wathi gagam.
Kule brutal kumbe igwarana simino.
So wena Chinese negotiator la. Ngoba la isiphuzi yasifuna. Wena ke isiphuzi. Shit.
But don't worry ngongaphuziyo enzokwenzayo iyaphuma kuphelile kozini.
So I think he yenza Steve Ovu yavukhuluma laba manje sibe sisusa la ngoba sigcina siphuza uqedwe.
Lile Smirnoff. Guarana.
Brutal fruit.
Strawberry.
Mawungela
I can just order in.
Isidawa.
Ilokuzini Heineken iswe.
A2 kuphela.
I originally iswe. Nxa ngaba ngo3 yabe right. Lawa city ehlebe ngo6 for mina la. Ama Heineken wena ufuna. 6 Heineken. Le hunter say one afana for
Umsabathi.
Usisi wethu lwana omunye. Yena elizweni yakhe yazeni ubefuphendwe ethi ubefuphendwe sweet yakho. Yi answer kade ufuna ukuyithatha.
The sweet yakho.
Ubefute emnandi yakho. Hayi brutal 2. Ya lo ijuice okuyiwa.
Ndana ni botin pineapple.
Ngoba kunye lapha sesingapho ngothi kuyi chief kathi ngubani oyisenzela last time kodwa sisilwana oyisothela esasithi nxa sithetha ama drinks then instead of doing ama individual meals asibonga umtshela ukuthi esenzele kungani kusa like
Platter.
Sort of cause wayelokuthi spatchcock edi lemchop edi beef kwathi bese kubalance imali nje. So kuyabe yini spatchcock sina ama spatchcock angu2 anti sesiphelile yabo.
Mama, that's
So
my
we see.
grandmother. Ma? Ngichatele emuva ngisengakho ngcinile.
Hayi ama chips are right. Even ama chips. Right ngama chips. Uzofuna imesh ama chips mina.
Angikho distracted yini lokho ngikhulumisa khona khuluma la.
Qala ngoleso ngoba leso sausage labo seli separate.
I-ex yakhe kupromisile ukuthi awufa into yakadwile kuyilokhuzi. Or pork chop right instead maybe.
one selo one pork chop, 2 spatchcock. I think we see. Lama chips. I think we see.
Ama chips.
Ngoba ukuyaba kumele imali yakho nisinganisi. Yebo. Anisiqoqele ukuthi imali anjazi imali ukuthi isilinga. Isilinga anjazi sidlalela. Yebo. Hayi, iku 5,000 mthara. Ayiswi. Anti.
Ngicela sho uhluqala undingele i-strawberry ngiyabonga mngani wami.
Sweet, thanks doc. Yasuka yahlala. Sanibonani mahlabezulu. Sithi ukunibingelela namhlanje kule kuyisho ngesindebele.
Uhlelo.
Hlelo.
Lihlelo.
Kulolu hlelo luka Mainhof. Unkamisa Kados. Awusifunda isindebele. Kulonkamisa.
Ngiyawazi onsinini onkamisa. Wonke yawazi ongwaqa bathwa.
Ehe.
So onkamisa ngo A E I O U.
Lesifenqo.
Esifebe.
Isifenqo.
Right manini vele. Lingabekela kama mina. Ini.
Kumbuyiso. Between the two.
Asikhatheni siqatheni katsha.
Hayi qhubeka bayizile.
Ayi onkamisa. And then lana ngesikhiwa nama consonants. Laba no O B C D kuthiwa kunesindebele. Yibo ngwaqo.
Ungwaqa ngweni.
O A B C D E yibo onkamisa. Yibo onkamisa bona.
Ama vowels.
Yikho phela. Yikho phela ndithe o elokhuzeni.
Nanti A E I O U.
Then abanye B D G. Sikhuluma ngabo ngwaqa. Kwase funya isekhathele so ngani.
Kulabo nsinini. Kulabo lokhuzeni.
Amasimini. Isifebe labo
Onsinini.
Kuyinonsinini.
Onsinini ngama letters ukuthi nxa wakhuluma uyaveza insini.
Insini.
Oni.
Amadoda thina.
Then bese siba lobo ngwaqa. Ongwaqa yibo bekwenza lokhuzi. Ukhulume angani ukhulume empijeni.
Insini mina mbazo.
Oga.
Yiliphi baleli ngonsinini?
Insinini ngokwakhe insini.
UN.
Le one sini overdo wathi S.
Phela
Awuthi ukukhuluma sona. Sorry. Awuthi ukukhuluma sona.
Wazwakhethu S.
No ngendlela obontheze njani u-S.
Yaze lakhethu S.
Nasikhethe ba.
Amana.
Sikhethe ba.
Prince wasmayile.
Anybody sele ngaba
Thulele
ngonsinini.
ngadinga.
Anybody.
Ubhuti wethu angasela ndevu.
Anybody phela sele ngaba ngonsinini ngafuna. Ngiyafiso mina. B.
Ya.
Kama anybody ngikhipe insini. Anybody. Ara. So lokho kumake sense ukuthi uthola mama
Ngikakhuluma uR veza insini sibo.
Akula baro ngikulivezela insini. Mina yikho zithi part kansini le ngani le ifomi. Maybe mina ngidala kakhulu.
Ezo B.
B. So ukuthi isindebele naso selamafaniso.
B ngondebe mbili.
Oh yeah.
Olaba nathi
Amabala ohlanganisa khona ama lips.
That is sexual. So
ndebe mbili. Zayima. Zayima.
Dawasibona lesiyana mfana undebe mbili lesiyana. Ngingatsho njalo what does your mind go?
Asindebela isiko.
Mina when it came to ndebe mbili esikole we used to call abantu abalama lips amakhulu ndebe mbili.
Like ingqondo obulala ke blow job.
Anjweso. Yebo zona zozithandayo.
Lina unanzelelile ukuthi uhlelo is a very sexy subject. Maybe the no teacher benu babe bore. But mina ukuthi sengikwazi mina ndlazi nhlanu ukuthi
wafunda ngapi bro?
hayi.
Awufundele okuzenini. Ngiyakwazi.
Asimeni ukuthi ngafunda. Mina ngaba ngutitsha esikole.
Abafuna bakwazi wafunda nga. Lihambe lalela i-episode leyana okwakulo lokuzeni. Thomba nomjidedo isiphofu la.
Robert.
Yes. Ngalalela episode le Robert lezabakwazi UK Breeze wafunda nga.
Antu afunda ngeCBC.
Ubona neCBC bafundisa ndebe mbili wena. B. C B. Ya want uhlelo lu sexy. Our teachers in Ndebele must start being a bit more creative with this shit. Ngalifunza abantwana nonzebe mbele.
Ongwaqa.
Kube ngani kube seductive. Hayi mina kodwa iqiniso lokunye lokungiyakukhumbula. But onsinini this I definitely don't remember. but then again mina nje kuthiwa ngili 1k
No, ile 1K.
kuthiwa ngili
Yeah,
1k
only
so
1K,
mina
bro.
isikolo ngihamba kudala
Fila nje ngoba ile 1K.
kodwa vele into liqale nini ukuthi ama 1k mina ngiunderstand
Khathe
ngani
anto la okha ama 2K. Khala so yini
So lama
ama
1K.
1K.
No, but it makes
music
sense
is-
because everyone born in 19 kuyabe kusese 1000 and
angikuyali lokho kodwa thina ngesikhathi
So lama 1K khathesi. Yeah.
sesikubizwa posthumously
but mina what I remember is kwakuthiwa kulama lokuzeni kulama born free.
Oh yeah.
thina sama born free
Then ama 90s
Last
babesithi
reduced.
kwakuthiwa o 90
Mana kana ma born free wapi?
those born
Nxa
after
ngini ngingabhadala
1980.
So lama 2K.
Aman. I want ama 1K.
Ngenza ngani?
1900 to 1999 yiyo la ama 1K. People born when Jesus was still flexing with turning water into wine.
what the fuck
Yini love.
what the fuck so but what ujesu kathi sekasela yo
Ama 1K, the way they take selfies, the 1K pause, the big shades, the dances, the way they kiss.
The triples.
It's like they haven't updated their software since
Ah,
1905.
Hey.
Sifila njani ma 1K.
jwala kabi lo umuntu obhale lokhu le
1K step aside bakoko. Elaliguge kakhulu kodwa.
umuntu obhale into naleyo uthola unemployed
Lizubuhlungu ngoba sokuyini. Ohlala ngama 2K. Ezinto le yayibhowa guy. Bese
Ibhowa
lesikhathi
mina-
eyaduma khona uthiwa ama 2K
mina
yathi.
lalizibiza
Into le
njalo.
yayisubuhlungu ngafuthi gqama mina ziyayindina yayintrain. Khaso kuyini? Uzo umuntu
Ama
wane
1K.
uthi sothiwa 1K so andibizwe lakho. I mean 2K so andibizwe. So la nto kufile nini khona kuma 2K.
ama-2k futhi egugile thina sishayine niziphelile phela so kumele sidinga abatsha phela ama-2k
Ama
kade
1K
sene 24
it
25
bought rough draft. Totally.
yazi kujwayela labazali
but akazi enye into if you're born between let's say 1985 and 1995 we had the privilege of experiencing life as a teenager without internet and life with internet. So
That's why I said ngelinye ihati.
no.
Ah.
I'm just speaking in general.
Ngelinye
Ukuthi
ihati.
like someone described as us as the golden era because we know how to survive with or without internet. Yeah, but like if you look at most of the generation yakathesi, punishment yabo ama parents what do? They switch off the
The Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, but Tina, we knew how it was to play outside.
mnazi mna i-punishment ngikawukuyalis kuyadlala phandle yo
Letha ama 1K zakhula njalo. Okuthiwa ungalokhuza vele awudlali lapha ngabakho phandle.
awuso 1k wangutsheni
Nge 2K
Hayi,
hayi.
mandlalela, wena
But
wena
let's
awuso
our
2K.
experience akho lokho.
wena awuso 2k i-2k ngabe egoli lamote ezimbabwe laba lalidlubeka nje kathi ngama 1k lina silibala kithi lina ngoba lani le internet lalingelayo vele abanye benu kwaba ngama 2k kodwa endlini i-internet lokhu elingelayo
Lokhu ingelayo.
so thulani vele lifana
Okay.
lathi
Look at bush vibes.
alifana lathi ngama 1k lina
Speaking of our bush vibes, Liz, really voice note kamgcini.
awuyiplay
Umgcini ubele ordeal la.
hayi
Ubele
ndaba
ordeal la.
umgcino lamanga iproblem ukuthi amanga kamnandi yiproblem esilayo
Okay, ay laba abantu bakhuluma kakhulu lokuzeni la egroupini. Okay,
ingoma
nice.
le ngiyayithanda le
Manje ayizwakali la.
ding 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 it's a jazz song ngeka ding 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 I was even playing it last week ding 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 yeah I'm showing my age
Yeah, baza kuchoka ngeage.
Yeah, lapha
Oba.
sebeza kungenela na.
Oh.
Yeah, but this track is actually a banger, bro. This track is actually a
Ngivumela into
banger.
engayisiyo.
play voice note
Ay bese mina unti qeda manqinqinqinqi.
I just actually want to say this. The 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. This song is actually a serious core memory for me because my dad and his friend, Mr. Gama, Usamelis, they used to hang out at my house all the time and used to play the song all the fucking time. I'm not on the internet, so when I don't get the cassette in any tanda. And then just last week, bro, we were actually with Mr. Gama, Usamelis, and I told him to his face, and I played it for him. What
But if you remember kudala, people used to be so patient when it came to music in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Faka ingoma la, they would actually be dancing to isound ye-tape rewind abemelethi ingoma uthi place hayi ayikafiki ibisele futhi
Daughter.
and they would wait. Yeah, ish.
Let me tell you what this song is called. I'm sorry, bro. I was just playing it last week.
2K. Oh, 1K.
Vele Mongi, do you listen to jazz?
No, I don't.
Okay, do you know any jazz song that you don't listen to?
Now,
the price?
Abdul Ibrahim, Manningberg. That's,
Yeah, yeah,
that's the name of the song. Tong Manningberg, Abdul Ibrahim. Abantu abadala ababukela podcast le, go play that song. That's one of my favorite jazz songs. It's probably my only jazz song that I like.
But when it comes to this jazz, this era, I usually like Isanko Mota.
But it's not even this era. It's Sankomota ngise. Eh ngomna mumdala wesichaye Sankomota.
Kule ngoma yabo lana ithi
I know you play a wrong la. Wenza ngomlomo wakho lo.
Vele shazama mbonti ngayidopha.
ekhala ku zone 14 xa iqalisa.
Ayo. Hey
Oh,
bafana.
you maybe yiyo yodwa la meya cause uzone 40 ngambukela. So yiyo yodwa la meya bengiyazi.
Anyway, I wasn't kamgcini la. The song just took me back, bro.
Okay, nango la.
Dala wakho.
Majensi into lady play podcast ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuzakhanya ngathi ndamanga but inhle ngathi ngilithumele real time madoda angaze mvule iwindi mina lapho engihlala khona la namhla ngizwa ngathi kuyachisa kakhulu yabona mphongo ukuthi hayi mana mvule iwindi lapha vele nje mvula amawindi wonke yabo so amawindi lapha ala nsimbi leziyalo ngamabhaki yalokho iwindi nje yayizichayele vele yabona mvuli wendi mina ngizishayile nephu sengithi ngiyaphaphama like after like 45 minutes or an hour ngilele ithola kule nkala kade endonga enganani eromini namadoda izirelaxile vele sivula iskaftini vezile toast
Sendong ufike yavula iskaftini.
Esile toast.
iskaftini ezela sile toast madoda amphose ngazigagela like for the first time man ngiswelile ukuthi mina ngiyenzeni because one person away ubuthongo like imphelele akarese so what imphelele manje sizama ukuthi ngiyishaye ukuthi at least iphume ngewindi nale lapha elingene khona sichema khona isicheme yakaka futhi khona so
awulamanga leyiphathe ngizwa
nuka ndo yazi kunuka inyamazana wazi spray lokuzinini air fresh madoda mphose ngawo amfuri roba nami njani utawulela ngathi ngihamba khona amphindi kuvula iwindi mfite kanye amphindi
Ikakhulu to bhoshele indawo.
Nobe ngafika ngecineni bensithi nza wazi umgcino lamangazi. Indwangu edli toast. Indwangu edli toast.
Indwangu enathi cocktail. Andongo ziyazi.
Uzile manje ukuthi uRalph uthi
indongo zabantu.
uRalph uthi manje indwangu yankhona inathi sengani toast.
URalph zamshota lapha ama statement akhe nala. Yeah, I'm not going forward.
Ngombele uthele imazoe.
Mina going forward majensi. Ngingangizwa ndisendemeze ngithi yana namhla indwangu idli toast. Ibe kwasike ilahla. Isimo sibucayi. Hayi indwangu idli toast. Isimo sebe sibucayi.
Yeah.
Then there's this guy osendele umgcini i-reply to this uthe
Uvulelani ndoda iminyango ngavula amagunanzi erumini ngavula umnyango
Thola mani.
lamagunyazi kumbe
be safe lapho umgcini imbi. Abawazi.
Bala impilo eganga guys.
Umgcini phela almost every 2-3 days where they need death experience yakho. Ngoba
Mase ma scorpions ozindwangu.
ngoba just I think namhla yi Thursday on was it Monday ube le situation le nyathi ayosendi voice note esithi kade bamba imoto inyathi yabuya sibi like i-charger lokhana ukuthi bese kuyido die lo uhlale phose uzigakela lo angazi na wayesithi mphose ngazi uhlale phose ezigakela
but abantu abaningi you know they underrating yathi. Do you know how deadly that thing is? Into lana ingakuchaya sibili kuhle kuhlani. Do you know what it does? It pisses on you to check if you're still alive. Yeah, i-urine yenyathi iyaluma. So company ngakuchamela ungalunywa vele ushishiri.
luyacafa lokuthi
Iyagqoba
ukuthi lona luchemisa ifelis.
Yes.
That's crazy.
That's
That's crazy. Uyakwazi dog. Vele even izinyamazana lezi ezinye ezingani zi-cute zile high kill rate because abantu bazithathela phansi. That's why even in the Western world ama-bear maulings emaningi because of how bears look, nice and fuzzy on TV, lento lama-teddy bear. So kungasi, they've really been on a drive to educate people on how dangerous a bear is. Abantu babona i-bear says, oh my God, it's a grizzly.
Wenzeni?
Thina eAfrica la hippopotamus. Abantu imvubu bayidelela. Ngoba
Imvubu le dube.
ngoba ngani
It actually bites. Then it will bite you and kick you.
yabo.
Dube.
Yes. There are a lot of cases.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Mona.
Ngiyakwazi izebra kodwa ngisamalthi iyaluma.
Yes,
Even
it bites.
donkey.
For real?
Yes.
Akwazi vile donkey
No,
le.
ngiyakwazi izibili dube yizebra. Ngizwe sethi
No,
iyaluma.
idonki ngumfana omncane ayilumi as much as ilokhu zini.
Zebra.
Izebra isebenzisa khonoko
Iluma nje
okukhona.
ngenja.
No,
Angikhulumeli khona lokho no angikhulumeli.
all right.
Uyalesa lo sehleko kwakhe, lo uhleko kwakhe.
There's a guy on Facebook and Instagram ojala ukuhamba ekhuluma ngenyamazana ukuthi lezi zinjani abantu abanganabazazi. Idube it can actually kill a lion by ukuyiluma. Yabona ukuthi lion ibulala njani ezinye inyamazana. That's how idube bites.
For real?
Yes, it goes for the jugular.
Wow.
Awungabulala idube la kungazofika. Mna ifika in the afterlife nje mbulawe ngudube nguthomo
Leke la ibona ireal kaChomilana owalunywa lidonki unyawo idonki imdraga ngonyama.
Hey, I think ngiyacava.
Bhala idonkile amazinyo omuntu.
Even iduba uzakubona even
Eduba nzani namzini
kuMadagascar uzakubona ukuthi ulokuza uChris Rock bahlala emanimate liyani zebra lene kuMadagascar ukuthi lamazinyo angakanani.
Only 1K for real, bro. Only
Tholo
1K, bro.
uyalidonki. Half.
Uthi ngini 1K ngokureference uMadagascar. Hayi mathi uMadagascar yamazi.
No, siyamazi.
Siyamazi
But
sibi.
ikho phela mbuzo ukuthi like only 1K for
Mana
real.
ngibona
or what?
ngitshayile lokho zenini unjeti le yanzi le.
Sasingela TV ngikhaya.
Mana. Change color. Chuchu sasa.
Dosethi ne matarenta.
Hayi nango nje yabo liyazi liba yethu angiyazi mina. Angiyazi. Ushibize yena nama
Dota
wakhe
ngibona
angiyazi.
isezwa kuchical joy ngaze ngathi hawu Thomle audience yakhe isidara. Audience yakhe isidara.
Yena lodwa le.
Awuyazi? Amazi khawutha ngoba Thomani
Something
tatenda wathi?
chitarikire something.
Tatenda chiji. Amazi?
Angikwazi ngisakwazi.
Ngelinye superstar la kudala.
Wayenza leka special meat.
Mina sinyazibuza macheni.
Special meat.
These days ngiyangizibuza ukuthi mina sengidume njengobani ngangimubukela ngisangomntwana. Mina umuntu ayitarget yami ngoncamncam. I think I've said this before on the podcast. Chomna na idumile lana, especially eKaslami. Uma ufuna
Olavi.
now for Duma so maybe I've surpassed it. Maybe 5 more years. Maybe I need to keep doing this 5 more years.
R5 is a lot, bro.
Well, now for Duma we still showing makes place.
All my niggas in the party said the party's a party, and if you think you a hottie go,
hey.
Ngeke phela.
Man, sorry.
Nalelo bayi3
Ulalezene
sithanda.
lesene zakopu ingoma leni lokuze nini? Ay, come on. Kule ngoma eyifamous eEurope zona zayiridiwa ngesishona but it was the same melody. You know it. Okay, sasenganizi sime ku basketball court iziningi isihlabela so. Come on ngoma leyani.
ndinoda kushambura newe.
Yes, wezwe mana.
Imagine try extra large.
Extra large. Igroup otho extra large.
Newe kunajayira.
Extra large.
That's fucking weird. Igroup otho extra large.
Wena amabizo akathi esingenza nakho work wena. Abafana ba these days.
Nah, but extra large is wild.
Extra large.
Extra large is
Extra
wild.
large.
Extra
All
large.
extra large ni. As sokwenza kube fun ichamembe ekumni chamembe. Le Africa alolu dala nje.
Actually ichamembe
Asivovo vele lo yi3 so li right thina singapha.
Also sile problem lapha is the podcast. Our resident road manager decided to swiftly exit the beard gang. Uthutshe namuhla.
Usinamhlanje imkhohlwa lebizo.
uthutshe namuhle ngani uyisihlobo sakhe yena nguye bayalile lokusitholela i-arrangement lapha cause yena nguye road manager we-podcast
Exactly.
u-road manager mayese demand take rider bathi who the fuck are you man
wonke umuntu usele confused uthi and
so ongabe lesaginama ngibo la
uthi hey
Mongeza sisaginama.
kuyinko lokho
this is not even a generational thing maybe this is just a
ungeke ulibala yikuyini phela kumele imphendule
isaginama kuyineskill
Angazi but i-plant yangikhona ihambelana le onion. Iyo igcoba
ilasi aloe vera awuyazi
aloe vera
ilo onion aloe vera ikhule egangeni so nxa lingabafana lihamba liyithatha bese selithatha ijuice yakhona
onganike ijuice eyellow
yellow
insawazi
Nah, it's colorless. It's colorless. Injenge onion like injenge onion.
so nxa lifuna lingabafana lifuna ukuthi indevu zikhule masinya
so nawe kwazela ngapi indevu ngebe ngicobanga ngapi
But kasipana khona ngala for
ngoba
Sasifuna idoti, sasifuna inzinza.
so most kugcotshwa
what
phansi
the fuck
anje ngithethe you don't know the story
so la ugcoba phansi ukenzela ukuthi kube njani ihuyedi njani
it's not thina sodwa
lawe
it's not thina sodwa it's thousands of boys all across Bulawayo I'm sure is it a Zimbabwean thing
I'm a 1K to be
it's a
specific.
cultural thing
And that thing is so fucking so iyababa serious.
so wawugcoba ukuthi kube ukhuli inwe
zikhule
zikhuli
masinya
Yeah, it's a naturally hair grower.
But it's a cool like for real.
asazi vula price
Cause that was too much.
hayi ubese basesukuma
ama-2K have really lost i-culture sayenze izaginama nina
angisabe sudingela
lokhuyana ke othiwa kumele ukulumisa ulimi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi awukhwela othiwa kwena kena Steve
Okuhamba emanzini. What's that thing called?
andile azenza izinto abafana
umtsiri kuthiwa kwini
yini umtsiri
But akusivari futhi.
guys ebenjani i-event yange-weekend
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah,
how was it
You wanted to
That's a
comment.
good
sifuna ukuzwa nje ukuthi ebenjani i-garden of house thina phela besingekho sayilindile ngapha ebulawayo
Labo ndidze. Ndidze diso.
tombani
Ngundidze.
bese uthena sengunditse yani
onije utsha egadeni bambiza ndithe diso
Ndidze diso.
ubesele
It's a
bizo
tweet, bro.
Wakonile ukuthi ngumfo wabo la.
how sebona omunye wabo
Hayibo.
sofa lelo liyawela liyachelela actually
This is crazy.
you went a little too far there buddy
But otherwise Garden of House was epic. It was epic. Nango lapho stage manager wethu angasithi
hayi simbonile
kuna omunye umuntu obuzile egroupini wathi kati uBryce lo we-podcast nguye kade sigidisa lapha eHarare
how
bekunjani eGarden of House our resident team guys so okay maybe 2 minutes of context for those of you who don't know Garden of House is one of the flagship events eBulawayo it happens like 2 or 3 times a year 4 times a year Mwah. Top shelf top shutter so for the first time they moved it out of Bulawayo and it was recently in Harare so Bryce lo road manager uthi bebehambile khonale lami nginje njengo Big Juicy bengumele ngihambe but certain events you know were kind of out of control for me but hey how was it dog akusitshela
Ajebe kumnandi nje. It was so nice, so shocking. The first thing that I saw when I got to the venue was Stevie.
ubona Steve oboqala
Bro, like I saw him like 10 times, but it was like the first time I'm seeing him every time. Bro, like I don't know. Like if Abalandelo Steven on Instagram will actually see his video, like actually shaving his beard. The weird part is he left the mustache.
yeah so he looks like a rapey fireman now
He looks untrustworthy.
he looks untrusted he looks like he's a tracker who
Yeah, but I really realized that the Bulawayo people really love Garden of House. Like if you say Harare, but I think 50% of the crowd was from Bulawayo.
oh wow
Because I remember one point when said toilet, I heard another guy said, you remember fun Maunza Bulawayo yes Harare.
Hayi bla when it comes to supporting abantu
Yeah, but shout out for the support.
Thank you so much.
That
Vele,
is actually
sorry, that's the
amazing.
point I wanted to say. Uti, thank you so much for Abantu. I know a bunch of people actually drove to
Travel.
Garden of House.
Yeah.
And if you go back, maybe 100 and something episodes, maybe go back to 2023. I said it on this podcast. I was one who said, BF, Garden of House. I think the Manch and Seep at the time. And what else?
Yeah.
So I think those are like our flagship events in this city. If you don't, and the Garden of House has really moved from strength to strength, dog. It's fucking brilliant to be there. I saw the videos. Four more
Bro.
Osaba well.
Bro.
Oh Stephen, ngiyomele uyela bezositshela phela ukuthi bekunjani ngiyamanga.
Stephen uyadekita.
There's
Nomthenga
nothing
ngabona
about someone njengosteve we-stage.
estage negita, more egita
But lona
stage.
bengelani. But yeah, now it
Akasala
makes
ndevu.
sense.
Yabo,
Now it
so
makes
nguye.
sense. Now it
Ubezitshela ukuthi
definitely
undercover
makes
since eqeda
sense. 'Cause I
ukugila.
thought, I'm like,
I think nguye wagita
nah,
stage.
lona bekungusteve.
Kuthiwa ngothi ukide stage to.
Nguye.
Oh,
Yeah, nguye.
Sasiufanisa.
Kana bakona class la so we live and direct. Oh, okay.
But time.
Khuluma phela ukuthi how was your experience at Garden of House dog?
Oh yeah, Garden of House was epic. Like I said, bekumnandi ngathi. Asosindebele esincane besikhulunywe Harare.
Bewini lodwa.
Very infiltrated manje.
Bewini lodwa.
It was amazing. It was amazing. The reviews were good. Abantu bakholisile. Of course, on the back end, I call nama technical issues, change of venue, last minute, khona kwakusenzakala, but otherwise everything else.
Also, that in itself was actually fucking brilliant, bro. Uti, there was a last minute change of venue and niggas still pulled it off.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask, like, how much did it affect the whole thing, the change of venue?
Change of venue, I wouldn't say it changed anything other than shout on abantu ku social media kuphela. But otherwise, but otherwise, it was.
Abantu dog, it's like they're just waiting from that world time. What the change of there's one change of venue last minute. Hey, I smell trap. That's abantu dog.
But they enjoyed Pela.
Lalel. Before event, I know Garden of House, they always have a social media run. Yabe uphuma ama post ay 15. Umuntu ebengazange liposte le1. Kodwa ngabona sokuthiwa change of venue.
What?
Mse siyakuthi story. Change of venue what? But it comes with the territory anyway when you're in the business of doing things like this, especially ungakhayela ihandle ka HT ku Twitter ngubani. Tangenzela lina all the time. Xa ku business yokwenzela abantu dog, you need to not let shit like that phase you dog. There's always a lot of back chatter.
Yeah, and there's one guy who had posted, which I want a full refund, wada. Sunday, ebusuku, I sent a message with fuck a refund.
How?
Shout out to the
So umnandi over.
I got it. Mina personally, but this is not a paid ad, but Garden has never let me down once. You can go back 2023. I said, was one of the PF Garden of House. You are wasting your citizenship.
wasting citizenship.
Yeah, wasting your citizenship, dog. Do you know I actually have a friend who drove from Botswana for the last Garden of House? All the way from Botswana. But I'm not going to say the last minute complication in there to drive back where I could, and they wanted to come for this one. But they said, I hear you keep raving about this event, I need to come see it.
But my events are blind.
Thing is, Garden of House is AC100.
S100.
Ngedday sebesenze AC100. Siyayenzele Ibiza. Ufuna abantu ama-passport kuphela. Lizwile guys. I-event ye-100 siyabe se-Ibiza. So lihlale ligezile, lihlale lungisa ama-passport. Wena useni Ibiza?
Ibiza kwa.
Ibiza.
Uthe Ibiza, uzonde Ibiza.
Hayi, anjena basengu-explainela ukuthi abantu bathi Ibiza. Lapho kujayele uchako no-Night Freak, but uchako kuse-Ibiza.
Ibiza.
Vele ungabona uZethi ngu-TH. Phela thina sike eZimbabwe la kuthiwa iTimbabwe le.
But le ngoma le ithethe phela Ibiza. Ibiza, ayithi Ibiza ngiza uBiza mina.
Ibiza. iZimbabwe phela initially iZimbabwe.
Yazi ingoma lana ethi ayithe phila inibitha.
I took a pill in the Ibiza. The so we do other schools.
Go listen to that song again.
I took a pill in the
But that song is very dope, guys. His second verse, his second part in Gomalia. I'm just a singer who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers because my name is a reminder of a pop song people forgot.
I love that song.
But Mike Posner is actually a very deep writer. We love sing diverse, whatever.
Why just lay la makwebo?
Chwez.
Twas.
Mina ngiqolisa ama-chance abantu be-podcast besembatsheli sengikhuluma nani for audience. Mina vele ngani sengingena ku-December mode. So there's a possibility ukuthi ngizalova emsebenzini the next few weeks.
Talking about events, this is also an non-paid ad.
Owenza yonke event.
Ubuye chef.
But I was khona
ezaganga kuhle.
There's Piano Fest this Saturday.
Saturday.
But yeah.
But by the time the episode comes out,
yeah, obviously. Oh well, but yeah, it's by Group Therapy le Uhuru.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Also, we're coming to you live. Sorry to cut you off.
It's okay.
We're coming to you live from King's Crow, Cotton Lounge. As you guys know, it's a very but extend. So, is it raining?
Nah,
No,
bro,
it's
it's that
not.
water thing.
So this time we're sitting by the bar area. I think there's another episode that we had to upload also. Yekela kuvula umnyango na so ungene amavimba
Ungena
ndlela.
amawatwala.
Esasihlezi khona ku fountain ngale. Lingakhohlwa ubele zothenga iburger la.
Imgcini burger.
Libothi ngali order. Lithi iburger lesezwa ngayo ku podcast.
Thanga umgcini burger.
Thenga imgcini burger. Bengathi the what supreme uthi no, the mgcini burger. Ngoba ngathi the what supreme bakunika iphethi elicakileyo. Right, so another thing that you had going on eBulawayo, abantu bese bethethisana online, was the ever so coveted return of the BAA awards. So we didn't have the BAAs last year, right?
Yeah.
Mongoose alibambe ivimba ndlebe lela.
Owamenze mina ndibambe. Ondibambe.
Aliyekile. Ngeke ngabuye duze kwami ngiyakhamisa.
Liya.
Liye ngalinga ngabe sengikhamisile manje.
Mlonye.
Yazi baba mekwa sikudlinyeza.
Yenzani lokwenza ngini? Yenzani
Ungathi yenzani lokwenza.
Yenzani lokwenza ngini?
But this is a real thing though. Umdela mekwa sikudlinyeza.
Yiko uthe uzakhamisa sithi yenzani lokwenza ngini?
Umfana wakhulela ePlantree so. Phela thina kudala mongi lingasoli nathi dla ama chicken nuggets, thina sasidla ama organic. Yabo into ezinyenyeza namacimbi nswabanda. Wakadla nswabanda nje.
Nope.
Umtete.
Mahlabusi.
Amahlabusi.
Lokho amahlabusi asiwadle sikhosa sofra ama-ayini. Anjo amahlabusi lokho nakulezi nezinkulu yiko. Yeah.
Booty.
Uzwakhithisa uprice. Uprice ubuzwa cha ispithe kira. Lali fry amahlabusi nge leli theli cooking ngoliphe.
No, sasithatha i-ayini uthathe umganu wekhango guys sasamabhoda.
Angiyazi.
Sufaka nje ihlabusa awudingi lokhu zenini.
Natural mafutha.
Cha natural food la pass pepper.
Dry no papa.
Hayi for the why. Go snack.
Athina sidivekile Zimbabwe. Yeah, so
konke lesisihla thoya kwenhlala sanithola umhlaba. Sihlahla. Tha esasingani into yangikhona.
Hlaba mongi.
Ke isihlahla. Anona ucaba into zakho zenze ushimi zonika lo sikhothi
So, hawu, kazokuthini ka?
uyasikhotha.
Yakhumbula umbuzo wakho.
I can't even answer this because then I'll sound like I'm defending myself. And I can't be caught defending myself.
Mina ngikhulume ngesihlahla.
Isihlahla siphi?
Lesihlahla leso thi alright into yangikhona yayikha then so ihluba. Into yangikhona testangani isawa so.
Amaganu.
Not amaganu. Ngokuyi into yangikhona vele uyayikha.
Isihlahla sangikhona do you eat the bark or you eat the fruit?
The bark, not the bark actually. Into yangikhona kwasilo yi describe.
Uthola umuntu ukhuluma.
Inhlaka.
Uthola umuntu ukhuluma ngeke.
Ongani jelly.
No. Isihlahla sangikhona nisikhitha izinto yangani iwomile so
awukhulumi ngemfe wena sisi wena.
Sihlahla ngemfe bro.
Uneke disturb isuka keni la.
Vele like asi fruit into yankhona ebengani iwomile so sasibiza sisithi lokhuze nini ngamasawa. The thing was nasasidla amayiso sokule gola so ilokhuzeni itrunk yaba empty because siqaso ukudla into zankhona.
Into lalidla was it a fruit?
Sort of. But
I mean like ukuthi kwakukhulela kwakukhula is a fruit. Okuyi round okuncane okungani li apple kodwa okuncane.
No into yankhona ikhuli igreen ani iqedela siwoma. Ingawoma so one yikho so isikhathi ubudwa ngikho ungakaso. Then ungawoma yikho soqasa ukudliwa khona.
Ayisikho kabe kungani it's a backyam ye beans so but kena ke ungaso beans.
Hey yikho khona lo.
Yazi utsho uyini? Utsho banye bathi umpakanyuka.
What's that?
All right, do you know that drink ekuthiwa yilokhuzeni okuthiwa yitamarind echopile these days?
Yeah. Fruiticana if I'm not mistaken.
Fruiticana. Okay, it's called the tamarind fruit.
I don't know it. I'm sorry.
All right. Nkosi yami.
Tamarind.
All right, there's a juice okuthiwa
picture ngona la.
Tam.
Yeah, into yenu kuma beans le juice la.
All right, let me
look for it. How try ini?
Tamarind, TAMARIND.
Khomvula ipono.
Ayithandi ipo vele.
Lokhu.
No.
Ya lokhu ngiyeli kudle lokhu.
Lokhu khulume ngebeans ayisiko.
Lokhu lokakwenza. Lokhu ngiyakwazi lami lokhu.
Khona into yangikhona ngani lokhu zeli ibhakhe esihlahla into yangikhona uyixexebula so ivule iqinile. Hayi
lokhu
khuluma. Then uyihlafuna so yayinzima.
Khuluma sugar cane usisi lo. Ngitshele mina.
Owani balo ngazimfi.
What are the benefits of tamarind? Tamarind is rich in antioxidants and high in calcium, fiber, and magnesium. Oh, okay. Hey, you learn something new every day. So anyway, angazi sigcine sesikhuluma lokho njani. Besikhuluma ama-BAA awards. Yabona into le phela into le yeze yasihlupha ngoba i-problem ebakhona ukuthi nxa si-upload i-episode lapha kumele si-highlight kuma-segment ukuthi lapha sikhuluma ngalokho lapha. My-problem lapha liya-digress. So ya-highlight lapha ukuthi i-BAA awards. Sikhulume ngawo 1 second. Asiyakhuluma ngawo literally 13 seconds. Sesi-diverted to i-story se-boarding kamongi for the next 4 minutes. Bese sibuyela futhi sokumele umakhe futhi ukuthi. So anyway,
I think siyakhuluma nje.
Nominations came out. I actually didn't see the nominations. But as per usual, which is what happens every year during nominations, some people were not nominated and they're feeling pretty aggrieved about that. I think that's what's going on here. So there was some chatter online with, hey, ama awards ilawa.
Well, most people were saying yes, especially that guy, man. On demand,
I'm going to upumele out to
the
exactly. Unfortunately, but anyway, but at the same time, what he did is contradictory to what he was saying earlier. Artists like ama artists aphuma lapha ingoma eziphumayo zi-substandard and stuff. Then nxa sokunominatwa abantu, then he brings out a video like that.
Yeah.
Yabona. So okunye, I think okwenza abantu baba bitter is because they do not understand the nomination process. Yabona. So the BAA awards bona, they do not have ilokuze. They do not decide who gets nominated, right? So when as an artist you submit your work and then they judge it. So sometimes you do not submit your work. Your people that follow you submit your work.
Okay.
Yes. So when you have city ingoma yako ya deserve, like you've worked hard for the past 12 months, but no one submits your work, what you've done for the past 12 months.
Wait, ilanga yini influencer what?
Content creator.
I think.
Yeah, sorry?
He's a content creator.
I think we submitted in Zumba or something.
Yeah.
We're obviously on behalf of Breezer. Or go to Breezer, what. Well, listen, awards are always going to be like that. Every year someone's going to be aggrieved. Now, I've been aggrieved a bunch of times, but I've never gone online ngikhafulela imic ngathi libadala obese sithi yazi bese thethisa libadala likhona apha ya kubuhlungu kwanominate wanti kubuhlungu ubuhlungu ujamba umnyaka wonke uzitshela ukuthi sibaphethe athina umnyaka uthi uphela bethi
But have you realized it is only painful when you're expecting to be nominated? And it's nice to be nominated when you're not even expecting that. Vele kulabantu abazana nominate abangayisimi and you find your name is actually being called out.
awulanga phelile ukuze nini bayiwomele laba i-validation yikho even yathi ukuthethisa uyakutheka it's like just that alone
ubethethisa abantu batheka
ubethethisa mina enditheka so now so many send the option ka share to story share to story la
wait ubethethisa wena sithini
kuqakathekanga vele it's not even something important but he called me also uthende 40 years
Wild.
uthende 40 years uthe
bese libanga ngikhona la
antshona bana kanjalo egroupini lapha igroup yeBYO podcast kulomuntu othi screenshot of when someone sent that video in the group of him going on his rant and then I commented and said twice cleaning up the streets ngade clean no la esihawulela. That's what I said. And then someone took that screenshot and sent it because a page posted it, type BYO hip hop, something like that, and posted that screenshot from the group of me saying what. La la ba de khona nthemba lelo la ngobe le data washo wathi yo sengithola ubig juicy.
Vele thola vele la tengela into yokuyenza.
Akanika ngechance. Awungithethisile sibila awungikhwathini umfana. Uyabulala ku type and think indaba zakho ngayenzazi njengami. I think he's just a big fan because how describe into zami eziningi.
Clock it.
Love my boy. Keep standing there. Mina namathi ngakwasi imoto yami what model. Yena ngiyongitshelele ukuthi ngokuyimoto wakho. Wangiqambila lo mnyaka imoto yami ngacheck uqinisile.
Wena uhamba emoto enjani?
Live.
Ma?
Uhamba emoto enjani?
Angazi ngambuza yena.
Hamba emoto enjani bhotwana? No, I'm just asking.
But I will say mina njengobhuti omdala obviously.
No important.
Amna ngithethisela into eziningi banjele bathi ngefam kayihlo.
Oh,
bekuhlungu. I didn't know ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthethisela ukuthi abazali bakho basebenza nzima.
Ncede ukuthethisa.
I-translation. Phela umuntu uyakuthethisa ukuthi i-translation yikho abangini basebenza nzima nja. It's like you call me a trust fund baby.
Okay.
Crazy.
I don't know where the insult is there, guys.
That's why you posted a trust fund thingy on your status, right?
But I didn't post. Who did I post?
You posted a kid.
Unana.
A kid. Yeah,
I posted, umtanami. Then I said, trust fund baby. Luana sang about a trust fund baby, not me. I don't need to tell my story, but you guys know where I grew up. I'm not a trust fund baby. But I respect you for insulting me with a compliment, my man. It's such a nice gesture.
Kodwa ukuthi information yonke leyo ithatha nga.
Ulanga. Umthethise la uzakukhwatshele zakho. Mniki chance.
Mthethise lama influencer or content creator vele.
Mthethise phone ilanga mdido wakho. Jayi pho ukukhuluma. Uyavuka kusasa. I-episode ethi siphumi. Ngiyakutshela. Actually ngitshele something.
Nevela I don't do it drama but like
ngawufuna ukuthola kulabantu abayi-2 kulabantu abayi-2 on social media abathanda ukukhuluma ndoda abangobaba khona abathanda ukukhuluma indaba zabo like ababreaka ngokuthi thina siyaba I've never understood that as a
obaba kumbe abafana
angama-gents kanti nxa usumdala over 18 sungumuntu ongubaba so ngathi nxa ulo muntu ofuna ukudinga information ngayo kumele upho ukuthi ingqoku podcast phela uBryce uthe mdidikalanga sabona ukuthi wena Bryce ohlala emagwegwe ngezikipa zakhe zingu3 yebo information yakho yonke iphume
but umuntu ngicobuzwe ezethola information yakho ebusweleni like uhlale phansi mbana namhlanje zamgugla ngimdinga ubekwazi ukuthi uyinginile le farm ebekwazi ukuthi lokho like what the fuck alento zokuyenza
uqambele ex-girlfriend yami I have an ex-girlfriend uqambele wathi icherry yakho leyana ehlala eCouch ngathi damn
wow
you are researched up my nigga respect that
such a fan
na but Brenda wayemoti ifike ingene njani ku conversation
uthi ngiyenzenzisa fair enough
Mercedes dog
but anyway
shout out to him
yeah so isikhathi amabhizi sigcine sikhuluma ngolanga lesi sikhuluma ngama-BA
Yeah, but Mina, my personal advice to I'm an artist: do not make music aiming to be recognized. Kuma BAA hours. Like, just make good music, right? And be consistent. Ngako. You realize who have never really won awards, and they've been producing and making music for a long ass time. By the time when they are nominated, and we have a winner in Lifetime Achievement Award.
My talent is not reflected in my awards, but it doesn't bother me.
Exactly. Yeah,
I'm the most talented, actually, in Bulawayo.
Wow.
No, it's a fact. You can ask them. They'll tell you.
Them who?
Or whoever you'd consider as talented or more talented than
the
me.
talented, most hated, loved one.
Hey.
Oh, yeah,
You remember that
that's
one?
Deep.
Okay.
That's deep.
That was actually supposed to be Calvin's album before he passed. Yeah. That was the title.
But my awards don't match my talent. But when I get them, I get them. When I don't go on rants. It is what it is. The work will speak for itself. Hey, as it is about Chala. I think Oluigi.
Hey,
Some
dog.
men say join win, me never. Try win company. Someone let's say class ngaqeda.
Tell me never something. Yeah?
Shout out to Luigi and
Actually, Ben
Fusion.
Yes, Ben Fusion.
Shout out to Luigi, Paul, Ben Fusion. I say
Yeah, which high ngale. Yeah.
I chase this is all about Let's serenade that. Sasifuna ukusitshaya ngeshow me your teeth. Utsho moya uBen Fusion nonochaya ipiano yakumbone wethu kane yachayisa ikhote. The video on live when you have a keyboard. You got it, damn, this guy's tweaking. So anyway, this Katama Awards. There's drama about who got nominated, who didn't. I feel like it's the same thing every year. We're about to go into, I'm sure my nominations are hip hop. It's gonna be the same noise again. So it's one of those.
Not saying you're bitter, but who would you have loved to see being nominated?
Mina.
For any award at any category.
Someone who I feel like wasn't nominated.
Someone you feel was supposed to be nominated.
I actually don't.
No. Don't put it that way. Someone you wish you would sometime I've been nominated looking at umsebenzi abawukhiphayo.
Because
ungathi umuntu okade kumele akaso kungani you are bitter about the people that are already nominated.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Any problem with this current awards are covered 2 years, my chance. So I told you that they cheese the last 6 months, but there's still a year and a half to cover. So this year's BAs are always going to be problematic because April last year but no cheese. But who no cheese. So into some awards it is what it is, dog.
Okay.
I'm not I've actually also been on a couple of rants. If you listen to my last album, I do say a line like I'm up in the boards, fuck the awards, I get my credit from Dubai, dice. So for me also maybe that's a thing.
Wow. I can't say anything. Lapha angila nto engayikhuluma.
Thina kathi ayikuthi
thina artist eblawa amaningi I can say uthi ngiyawazi like that. Lama kuthiwa wena ama influencer ama.
Alright, from one who do you think was going to be a proper fit for an award?
Angikwazi umuntu mina.
No,
there's this girl. I think so. Move her to Harare. Abangani bafana naso letsawo. What's her name?
Nice.
Ohlabelayo. Did she win? I don't know her name.
Where is safe?
No, the girl.
Asaph girl is wild.
Abahlabelayo so beyi-2.
Unovuyo sigirl. Abahlabela beyi-2.
Baja uhlabela. Unoluntu uwinile.
Unoluntu nominatiwe.
For real?
I think.
Ungathi akafika. Unoluntu kanominatiwanga.
Okay, let me just say, alright, mananje laba cause amabizwa abangwazi. Let me just say unoluntu.
Lana Jake nominatiwe. Wayikhuluma kakhulu ku IG this some I think 4 or 5 months back. Engakuteka ku video ku post yakhe. Ngateka wena lo Dakudo if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Kongasolanga futhi.
Kongasolanga, it was a girl.
Why is it?
You are all artists. Your songs
going Black Diva.
Exactly. Where is it?
I think she stays in SA. I don't know.
Was she nominated?
Let me tell you guys, here's the biggest problem we have. I've said this 100 times. I'll say it again.
Just check those girls on my visual.
eBulawayo, we're a 5th world city in a 3rd world country. Umuntu uyachisa online. Ukuchisa online does not reflect what's going. We have 2 separate worlds. It's not in like developed countries where when you're hot online, you're also hot in real life. Kulabantu abatrendayo online. You'll go the whole year, you'll never see them on any major poster, on any big event. You know what I'm saying? You will never find man, only share also about to live trend online.
But yeah,
go see him live, dog.
Cooking, yeah, the niggas cooking.
Oh, but now about Ben Fusion, these niggas are booked Monday to Friday. It's just we don't really have a good correlation of what's hot online with what's hot in real life in Zimbabwe. Do you get my point?
Yeah, I get your point because I've seen a lot of people that are really not famous online, but they are kind of like getting famous right now because of social media, which is now spreading into the rural areas. Like if you see those guys that do Irumba, Labon, Dolwane music, and like they were really not famous online, but a poster on the street, their shows are packed.
You can never really, and you won't even the similar with the documentations on Lang and Demand. They will post 27,000 views. What are you?
Social media.
But Mina, understanding the awards, how they put it to they work, I wish someone could have put up Ibizolga Chomok Chong with DJ Tino up for nomination. Because that boy, for the past 12 to 28 to 24 months, that boy really worked hard because he was the guy who won the Black Label DJ Clash. Yes. I think he won it 2 years in a row, if I'm not mistaken, because I think maybe the other year.
Does he have his own works? Because maybe that's the other thing with DJs.
He's really good. He's got a lot of works online.
Then that's
I was hoping someone would put his name on for nomination. But I'm glad there's Kotwane and Sfiso though. They also
that's nice. I didn't see. You see, they've had really big years.
Oh, that's good.
It's been a really good year for them. In as much as saying having traditional Lang and Demand, I do actually feel like even when I saw Tupriza was nominated, I was like, oh, I really thought he did enough. In as much as maybe their approach is a bit what, but this year I don't know. I was with a bunch of hip hop guys. They're also talking about hip hop. We haven't had a real, we had a Calvin era, we had an ASF era. Okay, Breeze has been around for most of them, but currently it's vacant. And Breeze is kind of the only one who really had some motion going on in the past year. Maybe issue is your approach is a bit problematic, but he did have motion. So I would genuinely sit here. Breeze. He insulted me on a song. I think he called me a piece of shit or something.
Oh.
I met him at...
piece of shit. He
called me a slang.
Okay, so you say Slama.
I'm saying it is Slama. And then I met him at... Sneaker Expo. Ambuzo ukuthi kathi sungithethisa sokuthi.
Sengihlama mina manje.
What put us?
Lady beefer.
No, we're not beefing.
So wayezama ukuyenza ingoma ichaze ngawo. Using your name.
It's kind of it wasn't just me, it was a lot of people. It was like one of those shake up the industry things. So I do feel like maybe Breeza did deserve a nomination.
Support local artists qedela umuntu ethi uyislama. Damn. Damn. Like,
Eddie, fuck all my fans.
Hey. So, yes, senzeni.
But looking forward to this year's awards.
And apparently uSkhosana ubongile nomination yakhe wathi cela ba nominate omunye umuntu. No, sorry. Sorry Madlela. I don't know why I'm saying uSkhosana. Sorry guys. I was trying to say uMadlela.
uMadlela uthi hayi.
Khuyalile.
Uthi sika Oskito. Manje Oskito lenza nje. Uthi hayi aba nominate abanye baniki i-youth chance.
Oh wow.
So I think okunye that's where i-argument kaLanga came from. Ukuthi okay uMadlela akasubmitanga kodwa limnominated.
But
then
that
makes the point yokuthi sometimes it's not you
nabantu.
Sorry?
Inti yikho be ukholokho kuchoyo.
Yes,
do Do you know what I think, dog? If you know some things, there's no use being sour about them. Learn the rules of the game, play the game. If you're big enough, you don't have to submit. They will nominate you. If you still have to submit, maybe, fine, fucking submit. Just fucking
so
submit.
umuntu obele problem yona le was it langa yedwa or
Hayi
that-
abaningi. Buddhas. Baningi abantu. I saw a lot of think pieces. I have a problem with people who do a lot of think pieces and then don't do shit.
But I'm not thinking situation le yaphomba ukubekezela sekwesikhathi siyafika next year ikhona next of next year yafika especially olanga khasi basasebancane isikhathi sasesiningi
Yekelani thina abantu abadala sithathe sihambe
laba
bolanga, ngathi
basasekhona abasale chance laba yabona chance yabo sincane
thina singamakhehla bolanga ke lisizwele bafana ama-lyrics awasaphumi bafana ithini isitshaye 2-3 khona okusivalele lizasala limosha lani selikubo 24 lani kumbe selikubo yabo litshele ama-buddhas.
But when I Breezy as an artist, what's your take on the move kaMadlela nele yala the nomination? What are your thoughts?
I don't know, but I guess maybe at some point I would do something similar also if I was big enough. Sometimes I'm an artist player, sometimes it's about flexing a little bit of muscle. But me, I'm a particular breed of artist that is able to do things, to do art, not to pay the bills. So because of that, you kind of do things differently. And because of that, you kind of sometimes get excluded from things. It bothered me at the start of my career, but as you all obviously know, I'm a trust fund baby.
Wow.
I'm a trust fund baby, so I don't need this shit.
Okay.
So yeah, mina yikho ngabhodla la mina nje ngawina la ngabhodla lwamula ngawina ngabhodla. So ngazenzela ndaba but kube
sekela abantu uvulela abanye
so you understand ulaka lukalanga langa don't worry lizawina one after siwine yokuqala then you realize man fuck this shit.
So mali wina imali what's the
When it comes to awards, like the people running the awards, like they seek sponsorships, right? So there are certain companies, okay, which categories do you have? Then they say, okay, we'll sponsor this certain award. So you realize, okay, the best male artist of the year, sponsored by the Bulawayo podcast. All right, Utoluguti Compass Faguti, okay, e-podcast gear. Yeah, so they make the accolade. Tina, we are the ones who give the money
or
and
whatever
the extras
gift is,
or whatever. Yeah, omunyaga wina ma biscuits.
No, for real.
But it's true. Yes, you get depending on Myaga, whatever they
yeah,
raise
but
that
sponsor
year.
a company lenzi singwa lama biscuits.
Biscuits.
Yes.
Ama biscuits.
Yes. I can't say the name because abasibhadala.
Ale cream.
Abayenza ama cookies lesingo.
Awubonga uyehlisa ngelokuze nini nganindwa ngamgcina echa itoast.
Yodwa vele lama cookies yodwa siyazi.
So mina lo Dakudu kodwa sake sathola imali. Esawina khona. Saba lo nhlanhla we didn't even know. Angosomali eningi but sathola imali. Sometimes you just get the award.
I-podcast yona yawina. Izithola.
Uzabuza umgcini.
Umgcini kwazini.
Umgcini ngiyesa.
Vele lingabi award. Kumele
Yeah, we should display it lapha. Yeah.
So mina engikwazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ungazwa ngomnye umnyaka kuthiwa kule mali eningi. Kumele la utatazele that year.
Okay.
Because in Namibia, I remember when I was in Namibia, when I used to get nominated in another country 10 years ago because I'm a legendary artist.
Okay. Wow.
Go depend on me, I go to 100,000 award. Because
You've been nominated in Namibia.
I said with you.
Also, we want to buy a kitty balloon.
Shout out.
Walter.
This shit speaks for itself, boys. I've been around. I've been around the block.
Wow.
Mina as in enhlanhla ukuthi sengaduma ka2.
Damn.
But I'm going to do bro.
See, we do have a third
Still
one.
rising.
And the third one, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna have like with the podcast, I'm having like a second run at a different kind of.
Live.
I used to in the podcast. I used to tell umgcini ukuthi podcast popularity is different from hip hop popularity. Because hip hop popularity, they just look at you and then you can tell they know you. Yeah, but with the podcast, I'm done as we are. But anyway, because it's got to be 30,000, it's got to be 50,000, it's got to be 100,000. So that's the thing with the Ama BAs. The reason they were not there last year was because they had financial. Unless I'm wrong. No, it's because it's royal. Yati si chai. Yeah, bo. So if they get a sponsor, they might go back. Yeah, bo. Amazimi hip hop futa wala. Because actually man from Amazimi hip hop.
Okay. Aye.
Because the biggest sponsorship is being a name sponsor. Remember, the BAA Awards were now called the Royal BAA Awards.
And then Amazimi
So if
hip hop,
they get sponsored by BYO Podcast, they can actually
BYO
become
podcast.
the BYO Podcast
BAA
BAA Awards.
Ama lokuzeni ama pogs. How do you pronounce that utshwala lobuya? Amazimi hip hop. Pogus. Poges. Pogs. Pogies. Yeah, a sponsor lokuzeni liya. But yeah, anyway.
I don't know.
There's a kuluma awards is city.
Yeah, but BAA yes but Mafoti also had a successful festival the past weekend.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Mafoti.
Bonye.
Big shout out to one of our own.
Yeah, he wanted to comedy festival. It really went well.
Thina ku podcast le asenzinye uKendrick Lamar uthomnye ethi ngayisephumelela sesiba lo mkhobholo.
No.
Congratulate her.
We are a Drake podcast. So big shout out to Mafoti for he wanted to comedy festival.
Yeah, and it was 2 days, and the sound engineer was the same guy who was making people dance in Harare. So
Akhulumayo ngapho. Akhulumayo right now.
Bathi mdala ukuthi uyashaya sound ye podcast. So
yeah, I sound engineer the podcast. I
Gotta
sound
be DJ.
engineer live
Okay.
events. I'm an MC. I'm a DJ. I'm an events planner. I'm everything entertainment. You got me?
So abantu abathanda ukusibuza ukuthi kathi mdala sibuya nini ku podcast. Liyabona ukuthi nxa ubuya ku podcast iCV kumele ibingani. Walker ibingani yadzana. So we have got serious people here in the building. But
Thina
yeah.
podcast angena ama connections. isivi ayingane yaxeka but anyways we're here. Iba nama connections.
Umongi vela.
I mean
Umongi tefana. Umongi zanga kakhuluma other way good. Why we are ku podcast for a very long time. But
Mina,
look at
yeah.
teacher picking on.
Mnambe podcast uzokhuluma lokudla kuphela ngikhuluma ngicatshile. Hayi camera ngesaba by then bangathi
I don't know also umnyama ongela thanda umnyama
Ongela mpisi.
ongela mpisi.
umnyama ongela ndo akidli toast. But we are here now. Once again, cheers, buddy.
Speaking of connections, did you see that meme kudala kungakabi lamastika apana? Like there's a cat ebhalwe police
life jacket
ebhalwe police dog. Ijibuza ukuthi how did this get this job sha? Mongo isithi connections wangu.
Connections.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
But gents,
anyways, yeah.
libonilu into lana kachivayo lo Themba.
Hey, that was hectic.
Did you guys see that?
Lana yadebesilwa kuyo ku social media omunye sethi osethi nza kulanda lapho khona bla bla bla.
So kuthiwa wanziwa butter.
Lona but actually that guy was body shaming whichever.
Low
Yeah.
key. Low key.
Oh,
Yes.
No, it was more than
low-key,
It
actually.
was more than
Actually,
body
yeah.
shaming. It was career shaming, personality shaming.
But
shame.
that was too much. But body shaming, I think it was too much.
But gents,
Ulokhuza nalona demchaye body shaming.
Lingawomeli
kakhulu.
kubhodi. But it's because he's an athlete. He's a UFC
Exactly.
fighter.
That's what they child lokhuze ulo uwepneli
Guys,
body
we-
shaming.
Whitney has been body shamed for a very long time. Ngibone kwenye i-reel enhlane la. Yabona into leyo ukuthi hamba kuma comments. There's a guy was jumping on this jelly bed that's trending. Omunye uchoma khona was really big. But, like I think I saw about 20 comments taking Whitney Chivai.
You lie.
And the guy who had posted that video actually said, "Who is this guy? I don't understand your language."
Asetheke abantu abaningi. Akunjele wena. You can
But-
decline to answer if you want. Isidudla ezilemkhabe engakana.
No, do you know as unjwayela kabi like okay person unjwayela kabi. As unjwayela kabi lapho undeleli la. 'Cause
I didn't say anything, guys.
No, like no, unjwayela kabi because
You can decline to answer. You can decline to answer.
Nampendula.
Okay. Now,
But
before
fuck you, bruh.
how does it work in there?
Ubuza mina. Ubuza mina.
Mbuzo ubani la? Nguwe wethi
Ubuza
inkazana.
mina ngimna ngeke ibele.
Alright, Stephen. Mbuzo ubani? Mbuzo ubani?
But lapha lokhu ya also body shaming.
Ubani? No, angim body shaming. But ubuza ukuthi, do you know from the 5 of us, if anyone has ever seen a man with a pot belly naked, it's probably the girl. I'm not now when Utemba Gorimbo or Gorimbo.
Wait, why nguThemba isiponsana sawo Gorimbo? uThemba umuThemba. I'm just hey.
That is a good question. Uyabazo umthokozisi.
Umthokozisi.
Mafukile.
Umthokozisi umthokozisi ongoyabongela age.
I think umama. Nanga ngafunda lokutsa inkomazana. Ukutsa ngaswanga. Wayithome eminye iswi. So anyway, my point is that other guy is a UFC fighter. You know UFC, ain't it? And then from what he's saying, Uchiva tried to give him a car and he declined it. And Uchiva tried to ask him for a picture and he also declined. So Uchiva is MTT. So I was out there. I'm one thing you will never be, which is a hardworking Zimbabwean. So my point was, not even my point, my question was, do you guys think in the landscape there is people who still have that kind of integrity, even if they are offered free money, free cars, free houses, they can turn it down? Excuse me. Integrity.
I think you have.
Because I guess the question is, when I don't know what your beliefs are, so I'm not gonna say abantu labana. But let's say people who go against what you think is your beliefs. So
Who go against
your beliefs. Because Ukorimbo, you know, that guy's been, if you know his story, he's been really poor. He's worked really hard. SM Dala, obehlale Goli, Lala gym. He didn't have a place to stay. He used to train other kids. When I feel better, get abafana abasuke bulawa bese Goli bese zamu. And then he was trying to train them with you can make a living from me. And then he got his lucky break. He went to the UFC. His story got out. That was The Rock. Who's The Rock?
I saw a picture of Kelo Lokuzeni Dwayne Johnson.
So here's where it's crazy. Because it's not even a matter of does he not accept gifts. He does accept gifts. But for him, it's a matter of the person who's gifting me, what does he stand for? Because if you remember, The Rock gifted him a house and he took it. And then Uchiva tried to give him a car and he says he refused. So my question is, do you guys think there are still people like that outside of Utemba? Do we need more people like that?
Yeah, I think there are people like that. Even now, you discover you're that type of person, but you haven't really got the chance to really prove yourself you're that type of person.
Or it could be otherwise.
Yes, because the thing is, yes, or it could be otherwise. Because the thing is, some of us, singama artists we only show our true political affiliation in the ballot box, right? So there are other people which, if they gift you, it will seem like you're now politically affiliated
with them.
Exactly. So it's a very slippery slope.
But when you if you're one of those people who are saying, "Oh, Mpongui Tata," but in the ballot box, I know where I stand. But the problem is, Kompana Tata, maybe you've swayed 30 people.
Yeah, that's the thing. We Tata publicly. That's a whole different issue.
Because that's what they want. Anyway, that's the message.
Maybe that's why I decline. Because labo soyenze lokuzeni nabantu phela. That's all.
Exactly. Because okay, abantu embamile banjani. Yabo. So the thing that you say, who is gifting? Umuntu lo, what do they stand for? You understand? Because omunye umuntu khona apha sengabuya echaya devil worship. Abuye ethi mongi. Ngiyakwanisa ukudressa ku podcast every episode. Give you transport every episode. Yabo. Engathi no, come to my church and But when yabuka I know this person vele ungena icheshilane inye vele mina ngasoze ngazi. Engasoze ngayisonta. And you wouldn't accept it. But if someone who is less rich, less fortunate and ngaphomongi ngiyakwanisa ukunika ama-shirt ayi-2 and uwagqoke for the next 2 months ngizakudingela manje, you would gladly accept because they stand for something that is
true.
I also feel like okunye kulokuthi even in gift giving kulomunye umuntu ombona ukuthi ule agenda behind gift giving because kulalabana bathi you can tell that this person is gifting me because they are just inspired by my story. They see my story and they are happy because that was a story with let's cut to the Rock as a What the Rock what it talk? I heard your story. I've seen where you come from and I hope your story inspires more kids to dream big. So nonsense. And it didn't even like the Rock was gonna then take that and try to use it to peddle a certain agenda. And maybe he feels like
so I think we have to understand why decline indlu imota from Tambani uWeknel.
So now part of it is maybe he feels like, this is not a gift that is a genuine gift.
Yeah.
This is trying to be used to push a narrative. And nanje abantu aba famous bela ndiza kuthola ko. Kanti famous woman.
This is some connection.
Kulo siso famous ko dlula ikhode ebulawayo. Baza kunominate kuma BAs. Most wanted. Need for Speed Most Wanted Award.
Okay. Ungani ndomboni?
Mina vele ngilombono.
Manje wanoyalo.
Awards lo. Ama awards.
Usafu khuluma ama awards?
I know, just to take you back a bit. Etelanini phela category ama designer that is win something.
Okay.
Wena qasi kwenza okunye. Wena qasi kwenza okunye
okunye okunjengani?
Okunye qasi ukugika.
Asibonile simbo because awona khawu yakhe.
Proper.
Kulokuthi ama awards ekhavelene nakabuye nga. There's a little fun quick story that I wanted to run past you guys. I saw something that was talking about Japan. Death row. You know what being on death row is, You've been sentenced to death and then you're waiting for a lokuzenin. I mean, I guess. So apparently at Japan, death row. Unlike other countries, in other countries, death row, you get told when your date is. Mongi is sentenced to death. Execution yako 12th July 2026. And then Sutlaluwas Guti. At Japan, they don't tell you when your death day is. How when I'm a son of fire. Yeah, but apparently you find out on the day. You just find out ngelanga lakho nje uyafika ekseni ngoba sebe utshela ukuthi usharp check. Azona phela buyanga. So my question is to you guys, what would you prefer? When usentenza to death, would you prefer ukuthi utshele ukuthi jeke mhla ka-12 July siyakuvayisa?
Mina ngitshela bro.
Nawo nje, I'm no angela. Senhlala sevalweni uthi senza ngitshela ka once uthi ngiyafa. Awulalutho ilapho ngisetshelani. Awulalutho uthi maybe so made mvalele isihlobo, so made yenze ngiyafa.
Hold on, usetshele. Zokuchila.
Kanti ubone ungini?
Kanti ungabuye ungini? Umele death row ungini.
Ukwelo ku death row usephumula kathesi. Ukuthi ephumula ngalo thothi baningi abaku-death. Kulomnyisiso ke wathi kathi wena what's your beef against Phumula? Mina isikuthi ngangile beef against Phumula. But because umbuzile and ngihlala ePhumula sengilaya manje beef lePhumula. Going forward ke example emzaba ngePhumula. When uyakhetha nto?
I would prefer to know because it prepares you mentally. Because lapana you won't die in peace lapha. No,
but you know you've been sentenced to death already.
I know, but get this. Now usejele, ama inmates become like your friends or love. Uthi aje ukhamba so ngiyabuya ngizokuxoxela kusasa manje ukuthi uhambe njani. Yabona? Like when you're expecting tomorrow and you're told you're dying now, I think it really fucks you up. But like lapana, you get time to make yourself right. abanye bayaphenduka bezinikele enkosini and stuff like that, and you have time to say, okay, laphana you've got a chance ukuthi prove your faith ngama works. You can help other people abakhona apha. But then faith without works, laphana ngcono let time yokuthi ama works akashow. You can help other people who are on death row ukuthi accept it mentally.
Labo suyenzela phethu uNkulunkulu uthe uyamukela.
Kanti uyenzela nathi siyenzela khona. Yazi iprime queen uthi iprime chances ngaku death row futhi uku solitary confinement. So ayisikho ukuthi uyakuncedisa abantu kwendlula or anything.
Exactly.
Uvero yiwani.
So habu usiphala abantu abacela imali emgoqweni. Ngabe kuthiwa
asejele.
Yiko phela ngitsho ukuthi phela maybe usucabanga ngani uyabuphatha.
Uthi njalo nje ngincedisa ama homeless.
Uma becela la usuhamba ufaka u100.
Ngoba ku death row. When you prefer to
I think I also prefer to know because this is like a man-made thing. Unlike an accident or
it's not natural.
Yeah, understand. So ngcono ngibe kwazi ngoba vele li plan ukumbhorisa li. So
I think I'll just stick to kutshelwa last minute.
Mina
bezomfukula kuseli.
Do you know
kuseli?
Uhambe su scream.
Makutshele mina sengaba lo mongi on this one. Because do you know what my problem is? I feel like if they tell me when the date is, my stress will only increase as we get closer. Every day. However, if they don't tell me, every day I've got less stress. Could it be today? But it's any stress in Bonanza Messenger. See how fun every day. But listen, it takes a weird talk. I can guarantee you for like a month before that, very you have sent Salang Huta. But the problem, if they don't tell me, Zambamba first month every day. Every day was But after a point, you have to get fun up here. The fuck, every day I have to wake up and look. I think we are.
But there are people who are assigned to see you like on a daily basis and they prepare you. Because if you realize those people that are on death row, abachingi, abayenzini, ufika zihlalele kuhle lan.
You are so prepared.
Yes, you are so prepared.
Can I also say something?
No.
Damn girl.
When it's Japan, I know that was who death though. Abakutshela ukuthi uzafani. So ungavuka any day with you ngafa khona. But that's literally the life we live already, dog. All of us half of us could have died today. Every day you wake up, you could die today.
So ngathi uphuma khaya soqeda i-podcast usengena napha nobele moto echibilika ukuchaya khona.
Sorry phela mongi. Yes.
Izinto ezikhulunywa ku podcast these days ziyenzakala. Mana
njengo price kathule.
Naza ayongikhuluma anything yenzakala. Uprice lo mgcini. Lo miyabe yaloya.
Into engayikhulumayo eyenzakalayo ukuthi sizathola ama hose. Mfwe.
Ama hose la uthatha. Where did you get the hose? Where are the hoes? Where are the hoes? Where are the hoes?
Uma hoes. Abi podcast yela ama hoes.
But into ekhulunywa nge president. Well, I feel like good different though, bro.
No,
fine. Awukwazi wena Karesi ukuthi uyafanini.
Yeah.
But kungcono Karesi because akula muntu osekutshela ukuthi
uzafa. But uzafa. But uzafa.
Uthenini awula muntu awutshelile because into lezi senzakala njani natural awuse umuntu lapho uthi sebe utshela ukuthi wena siyakubulala.
Ipoint yake nyayiza because lapha uyabusitshela ngumuntu o definite ole
uthi wena uyabhora wena.
Mina problem machenze ukuthi mina I feel like once you know the date from as far as 5 months before the date, you are not going to enjoy shit. You can lie to yourself all you want, you're not going to enjoy shit. But if every day I don't know the date, for me, I feel like if you know the date, the last 5 months are going to be rough. If you don't know the date, the first 2 months are going to be rough. And then afterwards, you just don't care. Because every day I wake up, it can be today. And then you get the anxiety fatigue. Over fatigue, over anxiety every day. And then you're like, fuck it. Every day, because it could be today.
So it's just my pop.
Yeah, I was about to tell you every day I'm vuka ngihle ngiqale yazi bengicanga ukuthi uzakuthini.
Edlwabe.
Khuluma idoti shem.
My chance. Umgcini wesikhathi lamabhenga. Kulo munye umuntu ambone ku social media oposte opost i-picture wabeloga into enye i-account yakhe wabe-like i-picture leya waloga into enye i-account yakhe wayilike futhi i-picture yakhe ibile 2 likes kuwumuntu eyi-1
Like ama-account
umgcini wabe zithi i-social media ndlwabe athile i-social media ndlwabe
As apparently umgcini isihlobo sami lokho ngishocked la namhla. Into le
how did I forget this? I think they already discovered over the weekend, then.
Yeah, it was weekend.
So mina ngayitshelwa ndidakiwe.
It was weekend.
Ose ngisopa. Liyabo?
Bese ikhuluma logcini weekend like
libambane njani ubuhlobo kathi? But longile ngomoyo it was bound to. Khathi ngomoyo wena?
nokho umongi wamoya.
Ngomoyo boyithu.
No, bese ngabuboni ubuhlobo. Until nawuzowudinga ngikwazi ube poste ngawaze bambamba uthi how. Phela lo ngulokhu zeni.
Ngumzala.
Ngumzala.
Umgcini uthi wasend message ngama ebusuku. Also disclaimer for abantu abalandela i-podcast le. Senginatha futhi. Ngiyakwazi ke ngimile. I'm back on the bandwagon. So umgcini wasend message le ngoma ngama 1 ebusuku. Wathi mina lo Nicole sizihlobo. Which brings me to something fucking interesting I want to say to umgcini. Ngathi I feel like nxa lesibongo esinjengabo moyo labo dube esi common. Uyakwazi ukukhomba omnye udube ungani.
Ungakwazi.
Hayi konke ungakwazi. Because it's not like bonke udube bayisihlobo. Labo moyo bonke yadoubt bayisihlobo, right? Is it true? Omoyo bonke asosihlobo, right? Yabo. So uyakwazi ngomoyo uzithola usubhebha nalo omnye umoya. Thina ezethi izibonga sivuma omatiwaza. Mina ke isihlobo sakho dok.
You should have seen iface ka-K Breeze embona emfeni yangibo. Udingani la.
Wena.
Khona I came for him.
Ngakwazi mina phela wayengangitshela ukuthi uzongiduduza.
What udingani?
Ngambone thutha ngathi.
Ngiyathuza ngawo uthiwa uba nesihlobo sa. He?
Ngathi ifuna nini
njani?
Ethi ifuna le yini?
Ngathi le nje ifuna nemfeni yakhe.
Ulandela.
Why?
Ngilande wena lo Nkoks. Oh.
And so, to be honest, it was a genuine surprise. Also, in my defense, ngangalalaka the night before. Yimi nganje ingungu la. But when last night, like fana ngahlabela ingungu ilanga laze laphuma umnye cousin wami wathi
Usulipheka shini?
Wahlabela ingungu.
Sorry.
Dum.
Ngahlabela ngathi ingungu ilanga laze laphuma. Umnye cousin wami wathi yazi mzala sihlala sizothola i-celebrity elihlabelayo. Benzithi voice yakhe izabe ingcono but ubuya ngisi zona. Live. Ngathi le auto tune emfeni.
You guys don't understand.
Ngathi plugani intrini mfakeni auto tune mina sokubona ngela auto tune mina. Yo. But yes. Also, this is a strong reminder for workplace etiquette. Lingahlangana emsebenzini lingajaha ubhebhana. Because liyabambana ubuhlobo. Liyabambana ubuhlobo fast.
Yazi. But anyway, it's time to podcast senze into eziserious.
Yeah, thina lapha manje ngitshela something. Asibhebhane lapha ku podcast. Contrary to what you might have heard or suspect. Ungathi oh yeah la ngathi. It's a common rumor. We don't do that here.
Yeah.
This is a strictly business environment. Sisake salitshela vele kahle kahle soba ngani la sama colleagues.
We are cruising nicely.
Yabo.
Hold on, there's something else I wanted to run by you guys. Right. Oh, sorry. All right.
If you are there, Qalisa mna ngikhathele.
Ayamiza thatha isikhathi khuluma.
Ngizenza njalo mina ngicanda ngikhuluma khulumeni kanjani.
Sorry. Mina yami emergency akade ngifuna ukuyibuza. Do you know umhlaba? We are now living in an internet era. And indaba lan move by so fast. We get our news cycles are now so short-lived. You understand, Amachens? Izinto ziyenzakala, and sometimes you feel like, oh my God, indaba le is like a crazy indaba. And then 2-3 months, not even 2-3 months later, 2-3 weeks later, we forget about it. Do you know, lifespan yama news cycle is so crazy. Every now and then, we get something that's so crazy. You're like, this is the craziest thing I've ever heard. 2 months later, you fucking forgot about it. And I'm saying this to ask you niggas, how crazy is that?
Do you know there's a guy who used to remind people what happened on which month? Like Baba Sebenza, did you see that calendar? yokuthi like if
this was
something
hot, this was hot, this was
ukuthi
hot.
like kungaba nguJanuary kwenzakale something he
this was
puts
the
a
main event.
picture on January yakhumbula kuzwe le mota lana babesithi 1000 rands
Ngiyayikhumbula.
it was also in that calendar.
That's the question, dog. Do you guys remember we spent so much time talking about indaba zika PTT? We were so this is the craziest
Then
thing. Where is he now, dog? We don't even think. Do you know how I remembered him? There's some picture that just popped up last week online.
Yeah, Kelo Mandela.
Hi, Esechele. I didn't even know he was in prison.
Period.
Yeah, he's in prison. He was standing with a bunch of guys like at the yard. And he's just like,
He's in prison, like.
yeah, you see? He's in prison, but I think he's not going to be there for long. He's just like serving just like a year and a half or whatever.
Maybe he's remanded in custody.
It's one of those things, it's just like a technical thing, but you can even see from even in the picture, he's standing there having, like you can tell, OPTD by end of next year was a permit. But do you guys remember when this shit broke out? It was like, Mr. Illuminati. It was like, this was the craziest find. Oh, he's fucking everyone. We thought he was going to get the death penalty.
Because the thing is, like sometimes when you are remanded in custody, even if they are going to find you not guilty, you find it case yako can drag on for 5 years.
Yeah.
And you can stay in prison for 5 years. That's called being. You won't be in a maximum prison, but you'll just be kept in custody.
I think that's where he
they
is.
believe which is a flight risk or something.
A similar issue. Even nigga Kelly Kumalo, what happened to her?
Ungabukeli i-stand-up lane kalokuze nini? I-stand-up lane ka Dave Chappelle, Age of Spin. He talks about how engumntwana. Not engumntwana. Well, do you guys know the issue a Challenger? It was one of the first one of my rockets that were trying to go out of space. That was he talking about the Challenger? I think it was a challenge. And yet he's going to take her off, be exploder, and all the astronauts in it died. And with Dave Chappelle went to this school. It was such a tragic thing because there were astronauts who were going out of space. So his goal of organizing living were all watching the takeoff, and that explosion happened, and they saw it live on TV. It like traumatized him throughout his entire childhood, and he feels bad for our generation because back then a tragedy of that level happened once every 5 years. But Tina, cause we're living in the internet era, there's 3 Challenger explosions a day. Namuhla, we all don't know it's tragedy Namuhla because we just didn't look for it. But I can guarantee you, every week, every 2 or 3 days, there's a genocide somewhere. There's mass suicide, there's mass shootings, there's always some fucking injustice going on every 2 or 3 days. And the problem is what happens is they happen so much, at the end of it all, you just don't give a fuck anymore. Because this is fatigue. How many things can we care about, honestly, bro? How many things can we care about?
1 podcast, 2
House,
If you
events.
Real Madrid is you Liverpool.
In Madrid,
akuthuli
laba bana laba sisakhuluma into ezimnandi.
You know?
Uzaba xa uba depressed egugrawundi ube depressed ngezana.
Oh, by the way, linalesa likhona egugrawundi.
Oh my God.
Shit. I'm just saying.
You're locked in. Yeah, you're locked in.
Connection yakho sile gas phakathi.
No, it wasn't the connection.
Yeah, was it locked in?
Okay.
Yeah, anyway, my point was
50-50. It's 50-50.
Karesi uyabu concerned ngani ngedudula futhi egoli. Uyabu concerned ngegenocide eseCongo. Uyabu concerned ngePalestine. Uyabu concerned there is nge-Ukraine, nge-Black Lives Matter. Uyabu concerned nge-gatekeeping ku-amapiano industry. Uyabu concerned ngebhoso. How many things, dog? How many things, dog? At some point, you get to a point where you're like, fuck, dog, I have so much fatigue. This is why I feel like to be a functional adult in today's society, you have to look at yourself, look at the things you care about, and say, me, I'm focused on 1, 2, 3. Nami issue mngalejela kudala ngathi unenganisa kungeni mina sengwe racism. What tribalism sengathethisana dleliqedela la into la.
Awusizima ungeni la.
Akho mina ngu racism na beef namakhiwa kuphela. Until I die, that's my cross. I can't do everything. Yeah. I can't. On your job, said, hey, do you know they're starving? Okay, I can't do the poverty fight. Poverty kulabanye ngale. Abanye bazalwa le.
No race, bro.
I'm not race much, just racism.
All right.
Lapana, this is where I die.
Mina ngwe gender equality.
Anjabo.
The wrong version.
Kare sizokomele ngibe worried ukuthi abantwana esikolo utheni?
The wrong version. That's what I'm fighting.
Na then you lo lama 1k.
Libo lindaba leya sihlesiva. Oh my god.
Yeah, kuma 1k sizonke.
So no ageism.
Ageism. Zimzama.
Kule ndaba la isendwe ngwedokho eka sisilwana obulelu.
Yeah.
Sesophi?
Ochisu
Umfazi lo mntwana.
indoda lomfazi lomntwana.
Yeah.
No. It was a different one. So you can go ahead.
Okay, there's a story. I think it happened in Matopo. There's a side chick who got jealous. That's what the article says.
Yeah. So
and then she went and burnt. Angazi bathole belele ngihlo wachisa indlu.
Bephakathi.
Indoda lomfazi lomntwana le 1 year.
So when I read that story, I wasn't sure ukuthi okay, bebe phakathi bacha labo bafa phakathi or bebe phakathi babona indlu sisitsha baphuma.
So it sounds like they died later because I think the wife went first. She succumbed to injuries esibhedlela. The husband was like 2 days later or a day later, I think. And then umntwana le 1 year is still fighting for their life.
Damn.
So that's a fucked up one. But I saw some women in the comments basically all of this could have been avoided if he didn't cheat.
All of this could have been avoided if she didn't accept umuntu ochatileyo.
So there's that.
She knew.
Ungaphambi ukuvuma into maybe wayengakwazi ke wena ukwazi njani uthi wayekwazi.
Mina I can tell from your body language.
Wena ukwazi njani uthi wayekwazi.
Mina I can tell from indlela abakhuluma ngayo story ukuthi bekwazi.
Wena waphendula umbuzo wami.
I can tell from your body language kaMongi ukuthi we have something going on here. What is this? Uthi possible ukuthanda lo muntu ungakwazi ukuthi ule ndoda ulo hey.
Yeah, it is. Umuntu oqambela amanga uthi anchadanga. Maybe bebuya kwe engela ring.
Okay.
Wena so find out ukuthi umuntu lo mfazi
lapha kuthiwe out of jealousy. Not when she discovered.
It could be discovering.
Because there's a difference between discovery and jealousy. Okay, let me switch up. Okay, Mongi. Right.
So
she was jealous.
She was jealous.
Umuntu ojealous ngumuntu obevele ekwazi wabe sesola iattention. Kodwa umuntu
the author say that
lapha akuzange kuthiwa after she discovered she was jealous.
No, maybe indlela la
umabhala she already knew.
Wait, maybe umabhala la ubhale njalo la simkhuthile isikhiwa somewhere somehow wabhala okwakho kwekhanda lakhe.
Vulela any podcast.
Sikhuthe wena.
Sikhuthe wena. Sikhuthe wena.
Sungena ngegazi la.
Lalela Ingwe uthonga ubhalileyo la ingwe nje he just picked a side in the story.
Like I'm picking a side kasisani but kokha maybe into engikhona bemzuzu ubuhlungu ukuthi right umuntu lo kanje la untu
chat. Ngabe 2 years bephusha.
Jiki onsusu uthiwa umuntu uchadile. Now I'm not saying I'll do that but awangikho.
Yakwazi kwini umjidi yabenza ipromise okay ngizabenza otshona la ngelanga elinje ukuthengele lokhu la lokhu angasamenzela abasenzela umfazi yabo
kare waya ngathi lonke lapha likhuluma from experience
akuthule
no akutsho wena uthi maybe ngoba
kana ujoli wena mfana wena
awuzazi izinto lezo
siyabala umthunywa thina
awazukhale wena uyakhanya wena.
Alright, just a quick one before we wrap up.
Sorry. Uzayithatha quick one. Mina ngifaka vele 2 cents. Bangafaki 2 cents.
Ufake 2 cents
fast. Story lesson la ngizayithatha.
Sifuna inyama uthwane ukwenza fast phela.
Kuyabuya.
Enza fast.
Kalma.
Vele sibuye.
Mina bengifuna ukuthi my point is it doesn't matter whether she knew or she didn't. Doesn't matter if he was lying or she found out. There is no excuse to burn 3 people alive.
Yeah, into engikhulumile. I say that.
I mean, I feel like
it wasn't a matter of saying in excuse. Lapana, I think it got heated ngendaba ye comment liya.
Amaye umama batsho njalo bathi kube kafe bang anyali kubutshise yena.
No, there was like abanani no right kube le something but uchisa abantu abasobuleli if family like
umntwana le 1 year lo mnyumama.
Say orphan already like.
Just think about that, bro. Kulo mntwana le 1 year lo muntu ngoma. I feel like umntwana le 1 year lo mamakhe it doesn't make sense doc. They were not part maybe you would pray with this story sesas maybe bamsendele voice note awuza kuyizi voice note lento mtshele ukuthi wena vele umuza umthanda
usafuni wena
mntwana ufazwana ayizanga le ntwana
Umama lapho uthenga sakhulumi lawo.
Mkhisazwe. Mwa.
Kuthe kunalwana egoli lona etrend lona esithi umbe lamapainting angikuthengela wona. Ubona niyakuthanda ngikuthengela amapainting 20 rand mina ngithanda ufazi wami.
Olona sithi umtshela futhi lokuthi uyagula. And ngiyagula futhi nathi amaphilisi. Olona.
Ingceba menzenjalo sisi.
Weird.
But I will say, gents, it does. Futhi le voice note kwazwakala lo mntwana emuva. Esithi futhi ngumbalela fridge ngumba esithi. Hey family, look, I think it was a skit. That shit was really fucked up. But anyway, my point goes to, it doesn't matter, dog. Ikuthi maybe abantu abanjalo asobantu abale rational ukweli podcast le. Umuntu angaze kwenzeni. Uchisa umntwana. Maybe nube ngakwazi. Maybe isithethu yedwa endlini ngomba. I don't know. Maybe isithethu uthomla nsemoteni. But uchisa umntwana le 1 year.
Yeah, there are a lot of ways that this could have gone down.
Now there's only one person engimazi wabulala abantwana abancane and it was celebrated.
Celebrated.
It was God in the Old Testament.
Huh?
Good, this up.
Digest.
Hello?
Anyway, it was a quick one. Le ingene e groupini, man. Long cherry lo.
At least do.
Kanti ukhuluma ngoba kangikhuluma lentanga yakho. Ushap. No, you can have a friendly relationship with your parent. But because isikhathi indlela orife ngayo kuwe. Ushap unga.
So no so hambele.
Pakala ba.
So mina ngihambi bangani.
Sebezophika.
Njenge trust fund baby. You guys know what I'm about?
Alright, let's read this one, then we wrap up. So this guy said, I took this girl out for lunch, told her my budget was $20. She ordered $27 worth of food. She paid the bill and gave me a lecture on how I needed to focus on personal development and not women. After the date, she gave me a $20 bill for transport. I'm not well, guys.
I understand.
Sidima
sakho mhlathu wakho. Singa.
This is a tough one. Mina ngawuza niki pep talk yo focusing on my goals. I hope ubongikhuluma general awukhulumi ngokuthi namhla ngibele $20. Ngoba maybe this day is just not a reflection.
Sabe uphila imali yogada qedwa yamukela.
Yikho lapho kucheck khona manje.
You know what I can say about this? I think this chick could have done it another way without humiliating the guy. She could have not gone for the date and gone forward with the date after he had to die. My budget is $20. Then Anyali, hear me out. My budget is $20. Ukhulume in sequential and okay, mtshele ngathi budget yami $20. Yena wabe se order $27 wabe se kubhadalela.
Okay, maybe umtshele already sebese restaurant.
No, regardless, Anju, if she wanted to pull it, because this is a stunt, if she wanted to pull the stunt, she could have done it in a better way that could have not humiliated and hurt the guy's ego. Because sometimes, you know what, Mongan? Mina, I'm telling myself, okay, if I make $200 a month, I'm good. So I'm going to take Umongi out in $20. That's all I have. And that's what I'm willing to spend on that day. And that's my tax bracket. And so me spending $20 on you and means this is what I can afford. Yeah, understand. So let's go out. Listen, my budget is $20. So it was $20 and maybe it was a way I know. But exactly, you know. But so like there's a way to go around these things.
I want to price ukhuluma njenge 1K. Tina mango the advantages la ama 1K instead of lina ama 2K. Na mbona no sisole 1K ube ngasoze kwenzisana. Lo ukhuluma ya 2K lo. Usisole 1K ube yathi lami ngine 20. Sesile 40 asihlanganise.
But you be surprised akona ama 1K akwenzayo khona.
Angahlanyayo la. Siyawazi lawa. Ahlale ephumula most of them. Lawa siyawazi. Ayisiyo sikhuluma ngayo. Mina personally ngithanda sisabadala. Sisabadala ngeke bekulahlisa. Abantwana omongi. Uyathatha iphesi yakhe ephume ehambe.
But la ama-2K lingaso.
But on Facebook too, okay Breezy when no podcast umbizeli $20.
Like guys, seriously. Seriously.
No, but la ama-2K lingaso, lima 1K nelibajwayezile.
Okay, Monkey, but do you know one thing? The guy that values you the most is the guy that makes the least amount of money, goes out of their way to spend $20 on you, than the guy who makes 100K, $100. Who is the guy that spent $100 of you on you and making like $3,000 and feels nothing. But the guy who spends $20 on you, we have 10% of his income on you.
Dog.
75%. What are you saying?
No, lalela. I gave you $20, ngile 23. And when I want to cheer from Chido, nigi 1,000, yenele 60,000. Now, if you put it on a scale, you see his sacrifice was great. However, you know, that's besides the point. Mina, do you know what my conclusion is? You will get away with anything. I fucking tell you. Once a girl wants you and likes you, she was gonna pay for the whole thing. It wasn't even gonna be an issue. Or she was gonna do you know, especially if you're like even or you have great Mac game, what? Because most guys are like, you know, when you have good Mac game and you're attractive, it sounds like good Mac game. But when you're unattractive and you say the same thing, sexual assault.
Same.
Pay attention to what most of you pay attention to most of what you say. It's easily sexual assault if she doesn't like you. But if she likes you, you're so fine.
I saw what you're saying being put down in a picture. There was a guy who was masculine, he said gym tights. And there was a guy with a pot belly, Emela Pana wearing baggy clothes. The difference between sexual harassment and flirting. You look sexy.
Yeah. That's all it is, though. Now, you can say anything and you are just like, oh, you're so smooth. He's a smooth talker. But now I don't condagari. I want to shave videos on Steven. When you tease him, you say, when I mustache, I couldn't have so sexual assault. Thank you so much for tuning into the PIO podcast in Ngoko 99. This has been another superb episode. Like, share and subscribe or something.
Look over was vele ntozani mele lukenza guys lingake by the way libe lilungiselela phela event ethu yamhla 29 plus buy ama tickets phela isikhathi sehamba guys libe bahle please so 29 November Hinde
Hinde first
hayi kahle lingabuye Hinde lingabuye Hinde funa abantu aba serious ngale not lina guys, see you
so when event yethu elandelayo so libe bahle guys
libe juicy.
Anyways ngizothola event le enye ekhona othiwa the Seasons denim tontontoni so labo ngabasiza li attend event yabo. I think imhla ka 8 if I'm not mistaken. The
8 November.
Yeah, it's
but by the time the episode comes out,
it will be done.
Oh shit! But anyways, lizaqhubeka liba support and we are Westcott. Anyways, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hinje chenganina ma general tickets. What the fuck?
Yeah, guys, seems like everyone is buying ilokuzeni golden circle le VIP. Kule general. $10, right?
Lifuna ukumtshontsha necklace uNight Freak.
Why? Lingatshontshela uDJ necklace. Lingakhulula uDJ. Don't pull the DJ. Thengani lama lokhuzeni lama ticket general. Kenzela uthi ngaphulula uDJ because abantu abaphulula uDJ abangene esitsotsi kulokhuzeni ku Golden
Night Freak.
Anyways, guys,
and soon after Hinde, there's the mix and the menu by yours truly.
Mix and the menu, yes.
On the 7th of December.
Yes. Actually, the mix and the menu, 7th of December venue.
The King's Crawl.
And abanye benu futhi labo selibuye selivele ema UK le. libuye le mali zenu phela lama-sneakers
Cala
amahle
imfonele guys.
Siyalithanda njani bantu
Anaplan
bekhe?
yazi December. Ngicala imfonele. Zofaka inamba zami phansi la description. Ngiyamfona yala.
Holy shit.
So anyways guys, siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabona nani soon.
Thank you very much.
Yiyo lana ethi pupupupu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.